Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn in section 1 decimal to octal conversion and octal to decimal conversion. In section 2 decimal to hexadecimal conversion and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Let's start with section 1 decimal to octal conversion. Technique: divide by 8. Keep track of the remainder. The remainders read from bottom to top give the equivalent octal integer. In the successive division by 8 method, the given decimal integer number is successively divided by 8 till the quotient is 0. In the successive multiplication by 8 method, the given decimal fraction and the subsequent fractions are successively multiplied by 8 until the fraction part of the product is 0 or till the desired accuracy is obtained. For understanding, let's take one example. Example 1. 125 decimal is equal to what a octal? It means 125 is divided by 8 and the quotient is 15 and the remainder is a 5. Again 15 is divided by 8 and the quotient is 1 and remainder is 7. Again this divided by 8 and the quotient is a 0 and the remainder is a 1. It means 125 decimal is equal to 175 octal. Now let's take another example for the understanding. 0.6875 decimal is equal to how much octal? 0.6875 multiplied by 8. It means we have to divide this number into integer and a fraction. 5.5000. It means an integer is 5 plus a fraction is 0.5000. Again 0.5000 is divided by 8 and we get a number 4.000. It means integer is a 4 and the fraction is a 0. And finally the value of 6875 decimal is equal to 0.54 octal. Now we have to convert octal to decimal. Technique: multiply each bit by 8 raised to 9 where n is the weight of the bit. The weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right and add the result. Now to understand about technique, let's take one example. Example 1. 724 decimal number have to convert into an octal number. 4 is converted 4 into 8 raised to 0 plus 2 is converted 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 is converted 7 into 8 raised to 2 and the answer is 448 plus 16 plus 4. Finally 468 a decimal. It means a 724 octal is equal to, we get the answer 468 a decimal. Taking another example, 43.25 have to convert into an octal. Now let's take an integer part as the first and the fraction part in the second side, so that 3 is converted into 3 into 8 raised to 0 and 4 is converted 4 into 8 raised to 1 and 8 the result. Again for the fraction part, 2 is converted a 2 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 5 into 8 raised to minus 2. Finally the answer is a 35.3281 decimal. It means 43.25 octal is equal to 35.3281 decimal. Now let's move on the topic decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Technique: divide by 16, keep the track of a remainder. The remainders read from bottom to top give the equivalent hexadecimal integer number. In the successive division by 16 method, the given decimal integer number is successively divided by 16 till the quotient is a 0. In the successive multiplication by 16 method, the given decimal fraction and subsequent fraction is successively multiplied by 16 until the fraction part of the product is 0 or till the desired accuracy obtained. For understanding, let's take one example. 1234 decimal number is what is the hexadecimal number. Now 1234 is divided by 16 and the quotient part is 77 and the remainder is 2. Again, this 77 is divided by 16 and the quotient part is 4 and remainder is a 13. Again, this 4 is divided by 16 and the quotient part is 0 and the remainder is 4. For the conversion of a hexadecimal number, as we know, having the 16 character from 0 to 10, as we know, in the hexadecimal number having the 16 character 0 to 9 and A to F, it means the character 13 having the value is a D, because 10 is equal to A, 11 is equal to B, 12 is equal to C, 13 is equal to D, 14 is equal to E and 15 is equal to F, so that the value of 13 is equal to D. So it is putted here, so that 1234 decimal is equal to 4D2 hexadecimal. In this section, we have to learn hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Technique: multiply each bit by 16 raised to n, where n is the weight of the bit. The weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right and add the result. In the previous section, we had seen while when we converted octal to decimal and binary to decimal, we multiply each bit by 8 raised to 9 in the case of octal to decimal conversion and 2 raised to 9 in the case of binary to decimal conversion. Let's take one example for the understanding. The A, B and C, a hexadecimal number, have to convert into the decimal number. Now we have to multiply each number into 16 raised to n. It means A, B, C is converted, C is converted C into 16 raised to 0 plus B into 16 raised to 1 plus A into 16 raised to 2. But in the hexadecimal form, the number A, B and C having the value, as we know, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 12. So the result 10 into 16 raised to 2 plus 11 into 16 raised to 1 plus 12 into 16 raised to 0. Use the calculator and get the answer. The ABC hexadecimal is equal to 2748, a decimal. Hope you understand well. If you have any query, kindly ask your question in the comment box. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and share this video to your friend so that they can get the knowledge. We will meet very soon with a new video lecture. Till that, take care, bye, stay home, stay safe.